Hi everyone, greetings from Finland. I'm attending Slash this week, and if you're like me, you know that it is really time consuming to find the best matching people, the most relevant people at events like this, because there is like 13,000 people. To research them takes a lot of time. I know there is a matchmaking app, but at least to me it feels pretty limited and also kind of complicated. So I wanted to build something very simple. So for everybody who wants to get max out of this event, I made an AI powered spreadsheet that is instantly researching all the people, all the attendees, what they have on their LinkedIn profile, on the company LinkedIn profile, even on the website, and it outputs the most relevant, the best matching people. So let me show you how this works. It's really simple. You just need to type in what you want. So for example, I'm working on AI agents automating sales, and I want to see some similar startups. It takes few seconds and you get instantly results. And if you look at the company description of the first ones, okay, this seems to be actually really in the sales automation space. The second one as well. Okay, let's try something different. So defense tech, like this, and we got defense tech startups. Okay, autonomous drones, robotics, advanced AI. Yeah, seems to be relevant. So let's try some investors. So let's do investor and really type, I'm looking for somebody who really cares for social and environmental responsibility. You can really type anything. So what do we get? Okay, Planet A, even from the name it sounds relevant. Supporting European green tech startups that has significant positive impact on our planet. It's a great match. You can even narrow down by countries like Germany, and you get the outcome. I limited this on 100 most matching results, but you can have as per search, so you can have as many searches as you want. Yeah, so go and test it out. For those of you who also want to push it to a campaign, either by email or by LinkedIn, let me show you how to do this. So once you made your search, just copy the data and create a separate sheet where the first row are the column names, and then go to leadspeaker.com, which is our tool. You can sign up for free. There are enough credits for you to get the contact details and launch campaign. Let's sign up as type in your email. Type your email, not this one. So basic sign up. All right, and you are in. So here, just answer a few questions, who you are, and let's build. Click on start from scratch. Here, click on import data from spreadsheet. Now go back to your sheet. Click on download CSV, reduce CSV file. So you download just this list like that. Go back and click on this button. Once the data are uploaded, you can add some more columns that you find useful, or you can just click on finish import. All right, so data are in. If you want to find the missing emails, click here and we will search through 5 different tools like ZoomInfo, Rocket Reach, Apollo, to find their. By the way, all the tools claim they are GDPR compliant, so we will search for the emails through these tools. So one click, and the waterfall enrichment starts. And the last step is that you can go to sequence. Here you can choose if you want to do email or LinkedIn outreach or combine. So let's start maybe with the LinkedIn message. And let's start with connection request. Hi, first name, I saw you are attending. You are also attending. Slash, let's meet. You can choose if it's connection request or message or email, and you can even decide if, if, for example, the connection request gets skipped for all those people who are already connected with you. So it's really flexible, and then you can follow up, or maybe even the same day, with email. Hi, first name. Also at slash, let's meet. And save. Yeah, basically that's it. All you need to do is you need to connect your email and your LinkedIn account, which is super easy in the outreach settings. Just follow the instructions for Gmail. You can choose if it's Gmail or Outlook. For LinkedIn accounts, just click on Connect New and follow the instructions. So from now, we can go back to Outreach projects, go to this project that we just created. Emails are already here, so go to Sequence, and here you can just play around with the settings, like choose the account that you want to use it for, how many emails or messages you want to send, the sending window, skipping weekends, etc. And once you save, you can just click on start, and it is running. So give it a try, and let me know if you have some problems to set it up. There is also a chat button, so you can just chat with us, and we will be happy to help. Let me know if this was useful. Bye.